Okay, so there's one more layer of fiberglass on this thing. It's turning out a little bit better and better each time. Probably got to do 3 more layers, sanding in between to get these ridges out, things like that. But just a light sanding, and then basically I'm just going to have to test to see how flexy it is to determine how many layers I want to do. But yeah, that's a wrap. It is 1 in the morning, and I'm calling it a night. Ciao.
To my house, you don't find me around, you know it. Someone, baby, Lordy, shake them on down, Lordy, my side door. Let's go, backbone, move it down. One in town, can't shake off. Y'all like you, Lordy, my side door.
So we are all set up here to start fiberglassing. The little area, the little lip area that's going to go past here and cover the metal here. So I put in these rubber inserts so that the fiberglass isn't sitting right on rubber. Just can't see them right now, but basically I found an old mud flap from semi-truck that had fallen off, and it was the only type of rubber I could find of the right density. So today we're going to fiberglass down here and right up to here following this line, and then I'll do kind of a cutaway later up to there. So that's the plan. So one of the things I wanted to show you guys, I was just learning it myself, is how flimsy one layer of fiberglass is. It's really not a lot of strength to that. So obviously everything I do has got to be multiple layers. And the other point I wanted to make was fiberglass just has a real tough time bending exactly 90 degrees. So when I did this corner to lock in my inside to my outside, basically I got a little bit, I don't know if you can see that, a little bit of a ridge here, just because the fibers just don't want to bend. They resist bending that sharply. So now I got to do a little bit of work to kind of straighten this out and fill this up to make it one nice smooth corner. But basically, yeah, you'll see my plan for that.
If you see my baby Lord Mama standing around, you know it. Getting ready, honey, we're gonna shake 'em on down, Lord, in my side door. up on the hill, baby, Lord, get some ice before we got back, baby, Lord. We shook 'em down twice, Lord, in my side, Lord.